Dji Air 3. This battery is also quite big. The camera quality is also very nice on this drone.
Give a damn about a hater when I feel like it. Not today, not today, not today.
Hello guys, YouTube guy here. Welcome to my channel. This is Dji Air 3. I just bought it new. We will have a quick unboxing video on this drone. So let's see how this one looks inside, and then we will make a detailed video on it as well. So here in the box we get this nice bag. There we go. This bag is also strong. I have to unlock from here. Here in the bag, let's take it out everything from the box first and see what we have in the box. So this is, I guess, the drone. Let's take out everything first. There is the controller. This is battery pack and extra batteries. Then here we have some extra propellers. So we have a full packet of propellers and some paperwork. That's it. Let's unpack these things. So here is our battery pack with 2 extra batteries, and one battery on this drone. It can last 46 minutes, which is very impressive. To remove the battery, you must press this and pull out the battery. This battery is also quite big. Then here we have the RC2 smart RC2 controller. On this controller they installed the antennas external. The smart RC first generation was having the antennas inside built in, but this one it has the external antennas, so we will have more better range. This drone, the company is claiming 20 kilometers range, which is very impressive. We will go for a range test video as well and see if it actually can go or not. And here we have the drone. There we go. Dji Air 3. The size of this drone is almost like Air 2, a little bit bigger. And here we have a whole lot of extra propellers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So in total we have 2 extra sets of propellers. If we install one, then we have 2 more sets of propellers. So here our drone is unfolded. The camera setup in this drone is super nice. It has dual camera setup. One is zoom lens and one is tele lens. The camera quality is also very nice on this drone. Soon we will make a range test video on this drone. And this drone, it has omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. It has the sensors on the side, fish eye lens, so it can avoid from any direction, even if you are flying it normal or if you are flying it on the active track or the auto shoots, auto tracking mode, any mode, it's gonna avoid everything on its way. It has the sensors at the bottom as well. Let me switch it on. There's no propellers, and here let me switch on the controller. Here is the gimbal for this drone. And here is the controller. It has the same Dji Air Fly app which we used to have in the previous models. There we are in the app. So that's it for today. If you do like the video, please subscribe my channel. Until next time, ciao ciao.